Hello. Uh, Study tayo, no? A parallel plate capacitor with plates of area A that are separated at distance D. So ito yung mga given. Area ng plate that are separated at a distance D by air is essentially charged with G. This is Q, no? QC to. Q sub C. The energy stored in the capacitor essentially is E. Okay, capital E. The plates are then separated by a distance of 2D. Lumaki yung distance. What is the new energy stored in the capacitor? So, direct current pa rin to. So, the energy initially stored in the capacitor is E is equal to yung initial charge niya na QC square divided by 2C. Okay? So, where C is the initial capacitance. Yung C natin, initial capacitance to. Initial capacitance. Okay? So, initial capacitance yan. So, what we do, we go to the next slide. So, therefore, kapag siya ay na-increase, no? Na-increase yung plate separation, siyempre, magkakaroon ka na ng C double prime or C prime is yung ating permissivity constant E naught times the area of the plates divided by 2D. 2D na ngayon to. So dati single D lang. Yung dalawang plate. Halimbawa ito yung plate, no? Ito yung capacitance mo. So meron ka I na pumapasok dyan. Meron kang V rito. This is positive, this is negative. Ang distance nito, ang distance niya na D, suppose na ito ay distance, ito ay distance 2D na ngayon to. Okay, kung 2D na yan, itong ano mo C prime na to. Okay, so what next? So ito na yung ating formula. So kung ating itong further simplify, it could be also equal to 1/2 ng C. So ngayon ang tinatanong sa atin yung what is now the new stored in the capacitor, new energy stored in the capacitor. So yung stored capacity is prime, A prime, that is charge, di ba? Charge square over 2 C prime. Okay, ngayon substitute natin yung laman ng C prime natin, which is actually equal to 1/2 ng alin ng C, base sa ating simplification dito kanina. Therefore, yung ating E prime is equal to, cancel to so is equal to 2E. So ibig sabihin yung ating ang ating energy is added into the system when force is used to separate the plates against the electrostatic force between them. So that's the answer dun sa question. Bye for now. Thanks.